At scale, an ad-supported product serves the company that shows you the ad, it doesn't serve you. With this thought, Sridhar Ramaswamy and Vivek Raghunathan, IIT alumni and former Google executives, are ready to roll out Neeva, an ad-free private search product, which is by the middle of this year hopes to offer a customer-paid and customer-first alternative at the time of growing concerns over the control wielded by the tech megaliths. The ad model has been great for bringing search to everyone on the planet, but over time, there is more and more pressure to show more ads and not really what the user wants. Our thesis is that we can create a much better search product focusing solely on what a customer needs, says Ramaswamy, the CEO of Neeva, is speaking on a video call from his California home. This is a domain the 54-year-old knows well, having been the Senior Vice President of Ads and Commerce at Google and also run its travel, shopping and search infrastructure teams. While Raghunathan studied at IIT Bombay and was earlier Vice President of Monetization at YouTube. So it's actually a broad set of experiences. Similarly, Vivek was the first tech lead of what is now called the Google Assistant. So we have actually worked on search on both sides. Ramaswamy says a graduate from IIT Madras. This is why they felt confident enough that they could build the technology relatively inexpensive. With a 45% team in the US, the plan is to roll out Neeva in 4-5 months, first in the home market of US and then English-speaking regions like Western Europe, Australia and India. Fortunately, we have a great team of engineers, designers and product managers and very good backers, says Ramaswamy. Neeva has raised $37.5 million so far with equal investment from Greylock, Sequoia Capital and Ramaswamy himself. Ramaswamy says the product will be different from what people are used to, offering a single window for search and queries into personal data on services like Dropbox and email accounts. We have to rethink the core technology, and at some level, things like how you crawl the web, how you index the basics are similar. He says, like Google, Neeva will also use AI and machine learning to create the secret sauce rankings for searches. On apprehensions that may arise regarding personal data, Ramaswamy says, we guarantee that the product and company are designed so that personal data is indexed to serve your results and for nothing else. We are creating a company that from the beginning is customer first and customer only. We are very adamant about making sure that this is the one and only revenue source. A blog on Neeva also reiterates its commitment to be ad-free, guarantees that your data will never be sold in any form whatsoever, and promises that search history will be deleted by default after 90 days. Google's default is 18 months. Having spent 16 years at Google, Ramaswamy says he has come to believe that it is just not healthy to have a very large tech platforms control so much. He says there are very good people there, that's not the issue. If you need to make more money, the temptation to show one or more ads is just very strong, and giving this choice creates a richer internet. He is aware of the challenges of offering a paid product and the need to ensure that it is excellent. However, Ramaswamy says for him that is the motivation. He cites the example of services like Spotify and Dropbox, which succeeded in segments where there are no dearth of free options, and hopes that Neeva may also force their competitors to cut back on ads. You can't now say, I am going to show a page full of ads. Users are going to go for a paid option because too much is too much. Ramaswamy adds, we feel confident that a certain segment of the population will see values in a superior product, and especially in the current environment of worry and about how large and how influential the tech companies are. We feel we can get enough people who say, I just want a simple alternative, a service that I use, that I pay. And that's it. There is no more worry about data, no more worry about what else is going on. So basically this is the overall idea of the Neeva and the wording of the CEO. So what do you think about this idea? Will it be a competitor of Google and other search engines in upcoming times or not? Please share your views and opinions in comment section below. And if you feel this video informational, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and career tips.